There are children who are always saying no. Whatever you try and tell them, their first answer is no, I won't do it. Now, the question is that defiance or is it something else? There's a difference between defiance and independent thinking. Like Lawrence Kohlberg talks about moral stages of development. Jab autonomy shuru ho jati hai, you know, when the children are very small, they will listen to everything because actually they're scared of punishment. But as they hit puberty or even pre-puberty, they will start questioning you. Ye kyun karna hai? Why do I have to do this? Why don't you let me go and play, ma? Why do I have to finish all this dal? Why is it that you treat my cousins better than me? मेरी marks से ही तुम्हें लगी रहती है, you don't look at my happiness वगैरह वगैरह. So they start questioning, which is a very beautiful stage. Okay? That doesn't mean they're disrespectful. That's what we need to know. There is a difference between defiance and critical thinking. Defiance is when they will say, no, I won't do it. But critical thinking is when they begin to question you. Why should I do this? They just want to know the answers and what's wrong with that. So the next time that your child is busy with that some favorite game, बाबा Minecraft का बड़ा addiction है, हमारे घर में भी है, छोड़ते ही नहीं है. And the mother is saying, shut that computer down and come to the dining table, or shut it down, it's your bedtime. And the child is negotiating and saying, माँ मैं दोनों रोटी खा लूँगा, I'll definitely finish that dal, I promise you I'll have all the vegetables, बस 10 minutes और खेल ले दो. At that time, they are exhibiting actually independent thinking and independent decision making. They're not being defiant. A home where such healthy arguments are allowed, there the children are going to grow up to be children who will take decisions for themselves, independent thinkers, rational thinkers, critical thinkers, and all of that. Respect is good, but not silence. If the child is always silent and never questions the parent, how is this child later going to question toxic friends or peer pressure or even later certain unfair practices and dangerous situations that they will face in life? वो उस पेड़ की तरह है, you know, you grow a plant up in the wind outside and it bends with the wind, and as a tree the trunk is very very strong compared to a plant जो बस glass house में रखा रहता है. So these healthy arguments at home are building your child's core trunk from inside very very strong to face all the winds of life. So the next time you hear a no, pause, think. It's not defiance, it's self-regulation and independent thinking and autonomous thinking which is coming into play. Allow that and encourage that.